Over the last few days, I've been saying that the so-called champions of honesty in our country are in a state of complete panic. The Modi government's 138th Constitution Amendment Bill has spooked them. The bill says that Prime Minister, Chief Ministers or Ministers jailed for 30 days on serious charges, crimes with 5 years or more punishment, must step down immediately. Today, Amit Shah justified the need for this bill and called out the hypocrisy of Rahul Gandhi. Amit Shah also gave an example of Arvind Kejriwal, who ran the Delhi government from jail. Viewers, the question is, why are these self-proclaimed anti-corruption heroes so scared of a law that even applies to the Prime Minister? Prime Minister Modi called out the hypocrisy and said that those who are out on bail are afraid for their political careers. This bill is about trust, like I have said, ensuring our leaders are not running the country from jail cells. Do you want your Chief Minister to be running the state from jail, or the Prime Minister in jail while he runs the government? But Arvind Kejriwal has responded to Amit Shah and he said, what about BJP's double speak on corruption? He also asked, what about fake cases slapped on netas as part of political vendetta?
लालू जी के बचाने के लिए जो ऑर्डिनेंस मनमोहन सिंह लाए थे, वो ऑर्डिनेंस को फाड़ने का राहुल गांधी का औचित्य क्या था? अगर उस दिन वो मोरालिटी थी तो आज नहीं है क्या? क्योंकि आप लगातार 3 चुनाव हार चुके हो। हाईकोर्ट में जब केस गया कि श्री केजरीवाल जेल में है, तब उनको वहां से इस्तीफा देने चाहिए। एक पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट लिटिगेशन फाइल हुआ। हाईकोर्ट ने कहा कि हम सैद्धांतिक रूप से मानते हैं कि इनको छोड़ देना चाहिए मॉरल ग्राउंड पर, परंतु अभी के कानून में कोई प्रावधान नहीं है।
जनता को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि सरकार कहां से चल रही है, एज लॉन्ग एज जनता के काम हो रहे हो, एज लॉन्ग एज सरकार जनता के हित में काम कर रही हो, ना कि जनता के खिलाफ। या आप दिल्ली के किसी भी कोने में जाकर पूछिएगा और आपको हर जगह यही सुनने को मिलेगा कि हम तो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की जेल की सरकार मिस कर रहे हैं।
Badshah Alam, the national spokesperson of the Rashtriya Janata Dal, joins the panel, and Dr. Neelam Mishra, spokesperson of the JMM, will be with us shortly. But you heard the spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party saying it does not matter where the chief minister is placed as long as the government is running. Wow. Sharma ji?
Sir, I hope you wouldn't mind me starting off with a very cheeky answer. Pranesh?
बोलिए सर, आपका शो है, आपको जो बोलना है बोलिए.
Well, to start with, in a country where a vice president isn't found in 30 days, how would you find bail in 30 days? That's for the Times Now viewers to decide. But jokes aside, today the old saying, "Chor ki daadhi mein tinka," is ringing truer than ever. The spotlights is today on Arvind Kejriwal, and let me tell you, the BJP seems downright terrified of him. Why? Well, they are telling their own supporters, BJP is telling its own supporters that they are not running the government to deliver safety, healthcare, education, roads or clean water. No. According to them, BJP government's sole mission is to lock up Aam Aadmis in jail. BJP is yellingly admitting to its own vote base that Kejriwal was thrown behind bars to force his resignation and topple his government. And guess what? They were planning to roll out this playbook in every opposition ruled state across India also. Talk about that kind of power grab. That is what power grab happens. But here is the kicker. Kejriwal, the ultimate game changer, ran his government from jail and poured cold water over all BJP schemes. And from behind bars, he outsmarted their grand plan, proving who really calls the shots. And here is the head scratcher. Today,
sir, before you go to the head scratcher, Sharma ji, let's first scratch the surface. Head to baad mein jayenge, because this is not making any sense to me. Now, you are entitled to your opinion, but I am only reminding you of what Manish Sisodia ji had said. Do you remember, sir? वो काफी viral है clip. He had said, even if there is allegation, the person should resign. ये क्या था, sir? And then Arvind Kejriwal, who was part of this Jan Lokpal Andolan, promised never to, be in politics. But forget that. Now that he is in politics, you should be happy that here is one measure which will cleanse politics of taint, corruption, etc.?
Absolutely agree. And what Manish ji said, Manish Sisodia said, I completely endorse when I say that a law is something that is equal to all. So if you have an allegation and put somebody in jail, then it is good. And a person who is under allegation should resign. Then somebody who is making a false allegation against him, that police officer also has to face jail, isn't it so? If you put Mr. Satyendra Jain for 2 years in jail and then after 2 years come up with a paper in the court saying that you don't have any evidence against him, how come that police officer who made a wrong statement, who made a wrong allegation, he is not in jail?
Siddharth Sharma ji, no, 1 minute. For that, there are courts. Amit Shah today made that clear. If you have a problem, go to the court. And just, it's बहुत difficult नहीं है. If you just see Arvind Kejriwal's Twitter timeline, go to 2015 और even before that, आपको जवाब मिल जाएगा आप जो बोल रहे हैं. वो ऐसा लगेगा चौक एंड चीज है. बट लेट्स ब्रिंग इन बादशाह आलम जी. बादशाह आलम जी, क्या प्रॉब्लम है सर इस लॉ में, अगर ये लॉ बन जाता है तो?
नहीं, ये अगर ये लॉ आप बना रहे हो तो लॉ बनाओ भाई. बीजेपी की सरकार जब से आई है, जब से तो ये रूल ही बना रही है. अब यहां आप देखिए, चुनाव आयोग के सिलेक्शन में भी लॉ बना दिया. तो यहां लॉ बनाइए, लॉ के लिए कोई फिक्र नहीं है, वो चिंता किसी को भी नहीं है. लेकिन 30 दिन के बाद जो आप कह रहे हो कि 30 दिन के बाद अगर ये इलीगल प्रूफ होता है कि जिसको आपने अंदर सीएम चाहे पीएम को अंदर डाला है वो गलत डाला है, तो उसके बाद जेल कौन जाएगा? जो ऑफिसर अरेस्ट किया वो जाएगा, जो ईडी ने छापा मारा था वो जाएगा, या कि जो नेता उसका इशारा किया था वो जाएगा अंदर?
मैं आपको बताता हूं,
ये भी तो क्लियर.
इसका जवाब ले लीजिए बादशाह आलम जी. मुझे एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूं आपको. हेमंत सोरेन आपके अलायंस पार्टनर है सर. वो जेल गए थे कुछ दिन के लिए, उन्होंने इस्तीफा दे दिया था, वापस वो मुख्यमंत्री हैं. तो ऐसा ही होगा. उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? फिर आप लोग अपोज क्यों कर रहे हैं इसको?
नहीं, इसमें देखिए, इसमें बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. वो 6 महीने के बाद 6 महीना जेल में उन्होंने अपना टाइम गुजारा. उनके मिसेज आके इलेक्शन का पूरा कन्वेन किया, फिर इलेक्शन वो लोग जीते, दोबारा आए उसके अंदर. और जो चंपई सोरेन उस बीच में सरकार चला रहे थे उसको भी बीजेपी ने खरीद लिया. लेकिन जिनके इशारे पर जो राजभवन से जो है राजनीति चली थी और उनका जो उनको अरेस्ट करने की जो साजिश वहां से की गई, तो वहां कोई जेल गया क्या? राजभवन की जिम्मेदारी नहीं थी. जो जिसने अरेस्ट करके 6
आप लोग गृह मंत्री समझा चुके हैं, लेकिन आप एक बार शायद कोशिश कीजिए. आप लोग एज वेंडेटा सबको जेल में डाल देंगी.
Pranesh, I'm not here to play the victim card, but भाई कभी बीजेपी को भी पहले डिबेट ओपन करने दीजिए. It always starts with the opposition. Today I'm going to play victim card on Pranesh's show. But anyway, beyond victimhood and victim card, opposition को मैं victim card में मात नहीं दे सकती. So let me stick to my core competence of giving data. This is the status of आम आदमी पार्टी. प्रणेश, ध्यान से आपके ऑडियंस को सुनना जरूरी है. यहां बैठकर बीजेपी को नैतिकता पर भाषण देते हैं. इसे कहा जाता है चोरी ऊपर से सीना जोरी. उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटे. People out on bail in the Aam Aadmi Party: Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh out on bail, Satyendra Jain out on bail, Amanatullah Khan out on bail, Somnath Bharti out on bail, Naresh Balyan out on bail, Naresh Yadav out on bail, Sandeep Kumar out on bail, Sharad Chauhan out on bail, Prakash Jarwal out on bail, Jitendra Tomar out on bail, Akhilesh Tripathi out on bail, Dinesh Mohania out on bail, Vijay Singla out on bail, Bhagguwala out on bail, Raman Swamy out on bail, Manoj Kumar out on bail, Gulab Singh Yadav out on bail. पूरी की पूरी टॉप ब्रास ऑफ आम आदमी पार्टी इन दिल्ली एंड पंजाब, दे आर आउट ऑन बेल ऑन सम और द अदर केस, बीट रेप, बीट किडनैपिंग, बीट डिस्प्रोपोर्शनेट एसेट्स, बीट फॉल्सिफिकेशन ऑफ डिग्री, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. सत्येंद्र जैन के खिलाफ सीबीआई की कोई क्लोजर रिपोर्ट नहीं है. लेट दिस बी लाउड एंड क्लियर. तो ये कहना सीबीआई ने क्लोजर रिपोर्ट फाइल कर दी, बेचारे सत्येंद्र जैन तो ऐसे ही 4 साल जेल में बिता दिए. नहीं, एक का हिसाब होगा, वापस जेल जाना पड़ेगा. बट आई वांट टू एंड विद दिस. आई वांट टू जस्ट एंड विद वन थिंग. देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन वाया द 39th constitutional amendment, Indira Gandhi gave herself the prime minister's office, uninhibited powers.
Right.
And there you have a leader or somebody like Narendra Modi who via 130th amendment wants to even bring the Prime Minister's office
Right.
under
The
legal
Prime Minister
scrutiny.
is, placing him in the same scrutiny that he wants others to face. Ashwini ji, forget Indira Gandhi. राहुल गांधी तो अभी 2013 में बोल रहे थे. फिर क्या हो गया?
Sorry, you can't forget Indira Gandhi. She has done so much for the country. You can never forget.
अश्विनी जी, मेरा मतलब वो नहीं था. एग्जाम्पल बोल रहा था. उतने पीछे जाने की जरूरत नहीं. चलिए मैं सवाल.
How can we forget 50th anniversary emergency की?
But नहीं,
we surely
चलिए-
can't forget Indira Gandhi.
मैं सवाल आपके लिए चेंज कर देता हूं. देखिए अश्विनी जी, आम आदमी पार्टी कह रही है कि सरकार कहीं से भी चले, जेल से भी चल सकती है, एज लॉन्ग एज सरकार चले. आप इससे सहमत हैं?
Pranesh, I'm telling you, this law is a direct threat to Nitish Kumar and Chandra Babu Naidu.
तो
that
सपोर्ट
if
कर
you pull
दीजिए
out
सर.
your support, we will jail you and we will shut down your government because it is not constitutional. Why would we support something which is not constitutional? It is against the Article 20 Article 20 Section 3, which talks about de facto laws. Anyone which is not proven guilty is innocent, presumed innocent. And
Ashwini
you are
Mishra,
going to take
people,
away that right.
1 minute. People against whom there is, not even an FIR. You want those people to resign. But here you are talking about this legal maxim. आप भूल जाते हैं आप लोग. I am asking you one thing specific about what the Aam Aadmi Party has said. That it's okay to run the government from jail. Is that okay? Are you morally okay with this?
Pranesh, when you ask me a question, allow me to complete my answer, right? ED has done more than 200 cases on politician and only 2 conviction, 1% conviction. So if this becomes a law, you
Then
will
you should be
understand the
happy
kind
that
of
nothing will happen. Nothing will happen, but that will you will also come to par, Ashwini Mishra ji. But I am not asking you about the law. I asked you about what the Aam Aadmi Party believes in. Karan, is it okay to run the government from jail? Aap says yes. Why not?
No, of course. And our cheeky, self-proclaimed cheeky spokesperson from AAP, he just said कि भाई अरविंद केजरीवाल ने पानी डाल दिया. पानी पूरी दिल्ली पे डाला था and 53 people died due to electrocution while Kejriwal was in jail. And Pranesh, the way he let down governance, I mean, this man was allowed 2 meetings per week as per the Tihar jail manual rules. 2 meetings a week for a CM, and then to brag that I managed to, foil all BJP's plans. You foiled Delhi's governance plans. That is what you did. And your head should hang in shame for that. Our framers of constitution never thought that this could actually happen. We could be discussing this. And ये जो अश्विनी जी बोल रहे हैं, इनको ये नहीं पता है, CCS, CAS, which are the rules that govern the bureaucrats, 1965, under the Congress government, as per that, if a bureaucrat is jailed, he or she has to resign within 48 hours. That is very much constitutional. आप ही के द्वारा बनाया गया है 1965 में. But नेता को एक अलग स्टैचर पे आपको रखना है. This is the sense of entitlement. That entitlement comes from Indira Gandhi. She did not place herself in that category. She placed the babus, she placed the bureaucrats. She did not place herself. And Pranesh, look at the hypocrisy. 2020, 11th October 2020, Rahul Gandhi. Why is Yediyurappa not resigning? Jabki there was nothing against Yediyurappa. Leave aside going to jail, there was no charges, nothing against Yediyurappa. He wanted him to resign. Brij Bhushan should resign.
They want Prime Minister to resign.
Prime Minister, and they don't want to resign. And how many safeguards do they have? For Arvind Kejriwal, he appealed against the FIR. He skipped all the summons. He asked for a stay on the summons. He went to stall the proceedings of the trial court. Each and every time this man landed with a foot in his mouth and a rap on the knuckles by the court. Bail is not a badge of honor. Let it be clear to Aam Aadmi Party. Bail is not a badge of honor.
Now there is an attempt to justify the rule from jail. Let's see how this plays out in the People's Court. I thank all of you for joining us on India Upfront. The news are on the other side.